welcome to back our amazing channel. Today we are talking about a digital creator who is making waves with a confidential fashion sense and eye-catching content. Networth Rodriguezbio with thousands of creators completing a attraction every day. Valentina manager built styles that instantly recognizable and keeps her audience coming back for more. Valentina Rodriguezbio is known as a model and creator who share beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content across different social media platforms. The content features stylish outfit, creative photo shoots, everyday moments, and preferred with a polished and elite aesthetic. She stands at 5 feet 8 inches and tail weight approximately 60 kg. She is known for the beautiful long dark brown hair and brown eyes, giving her specs and confidence on camera. One of the best things that make Valentina stand out is her attraction and detail. Every pose feels carefully planned from the lighting and location, fashion choice and pose. Everything works together to create a strong personal brand and consistently one of the biggest reason of the audience content growth. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for